Two key witnesses took the stand today, friends of accused double murderer Javante Higgins. Higgins is now in day 3 of his trial as he stands accused of murdering David and Vivian Bauman in their Kentwood home. Leon Hendricks is covering this for us tonight. He's live outside of the courthouse right now. Leon?
Sue, good afternoon. The pair testified late this afternoon, and they described strange, out-of-character behavior for Javante Higgins, both before and after the time frame when prosecutors say the Baumans were murdered. They were friends of the accused, and before all this say he was a fun, good person, distinctly different from the barrage of witnesses who testified earlier in the day that he had broken into their homes in the months and years prior to the Baumans' murders.
A couple other windows were crashing, and I waited on the phone with a 911 operator, terrified.
Then there was Kamari Boyd. His testimony was crucial. It was the lead of the prosecutor's opening statement. He says Higgins came to his home, apparently after the murders.
He tells me some people got shot.
Did he tell you how many people got shot?
No.
The defense poked at his story, and Boyd went back and forth a bit about whether or not Higgins actually said that he shot the two people. Then Lacey Martin took the stand and testified about more strange behavior before the shootings. A time when Higgins asked her for a ride to a local business, started covering his face, apparently prepping to rob the place. But they ended up leaving.
He told me that we could have made some money, some fast money.
Later, she says she dropped Higgins off near the Baumans' home. Then later, she saw the news about David and Vivian Bauman.
I just had a weird gut feeling that maybe he had something to do with it because I dropped him off in that neighborhood.
Now, you might say these two testifying was something of a comeback for the prosecutors because earlier in the day, a DNA expert took the stand and said she found no DNA at the home of the Baumans that linked Javante Higgins to that scene. Certainly something that the defense really tried to drive home for the jury. Still ahead, lots to come in this trial. There are a few more days of testimony left, though it's moving along quickly. We expect at some point to hear from Javante Higgins' mother, and we still don't know. It's still up in the air whether or not Javante Higgins will take the stand in his own defense. We'll continue to follow the case. Reporting live in downtown Grand Rapids, Leon Hendricks, 24-Hour News 8.